Alrighty, we're getting ready to go pick up a load up in Kansas. Actually, we're gonna pick it up in Kansas, and the load is going to Mississippi. It's going to New Albany, Mississippi. We're taking it to a Walmart distribution center, I'm assuming, because it says grocery warehouse. So must be one of those small distribution centers they have. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start making our way down there. We were just waiting for this storm that passed through here, because it's heading the same direction that we're going right now. So just wanted to let that storm get ahead, I guess, and then I'm gonna go ahead and be riding right behind it, so just to stay on the safe side as well. So we have to be there to pick up our load at 11, so we have plenty of time. It's like about an hour from there, and it's 9:25 Central Time right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start making our way now and pick up that load and take it from there. Well, I thought the rain was gonna move a little bit faster, but I guess it's not. It's moving pretty slow. And I gave it like 30 minutes before I started driving. I said that should be enough time for the rain to move along, I guess, but I guess it's just sticking around this area here. Hopefully we won't get it, or it won't get worse further down. At least the winds appear to be calm. I don't feel any wind blowing or nothing like that, so it's just the rain coming down. We'll see how it gets further down. material. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, now that we're okay, make sure I don't swing to the far right. Actually, I was okay. There we go. Go head up to the shipping office, take the ticket, and then park over here on the other side where I'm not blocking anybody or in anybody's way, and then go check in the shipping office. Now we're going to go ahead and take it to the other side of the building, back to dock 3, and then from there, once we get the green light, come back, come around the building again, head up to the scale and get a fully loaded scale ticket or scale weight. Alrighty, we're here, backed up to dock number 3, actually. Yeah, we got here and we're just waiting for them to load us. As soon as the light turns green, we'll go ahead and head back, do what we need to do and all that, and then check out, and then we'll be on our way. In the meantime, I guess we'll just keep on waiting. And I guess that's it. As we're waiting in line to get scaled again, we had like I guess 6 or 7 trucks ahead of us. So this CFI in front of me, I believe, is the CFI that was loading next to me at that other side of the building. So once we scale, go up there, take that scale ticket to the shipping office, and they prepare the paperwork and all that, and then we'll be good to go. This load delivers supposedly, if I'm not mistaken, on today is the 25 on Saturday, and it's at a Walmart. The majority of Walmart, Sam's, and this place is here. They won't accept you early, even if it's a drop. I believe they won't accept you early. The earliest they'll take you actually is 1 hour, even if it's a drop, supposedly. So we'll see. We'll see how this load is going to be. But it delivers Saturday, and it's less than 500 miles. So we'll see. We'll see what we can do with that load. Then we'll take it from there. Alrighty, we're good to go. We'll go ahead and start rolling now. Oh, just also wanted to get out of the way, because I'm assuming there's other trucks waiting to get into that spot. So we'll just go ahead and get out of there and start rolling. Go ahead and take the same route back to that US Highway 69. So I'm going to go ahead and take the same route back to Joplin pretty much. Heavy load. It's over 75,000 pounds, 76, somewhere on there. So it is a heavy load, and we're should be good, at least if winds pick up a little bit later today or tomorrow. We should be able to get there sometime tonight, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and check and see if I can drop it there at that customer. If not, West Memphis terminal will be pretty much in our way, I guess. The route we're going to be taking, so we'll see. From there, it shouldn't be too far to where the load's delivering. We might be able to drop it there, and then possibly get something else head southwest. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and stop here, scale the truck at the cat scale, and then fuel. We're gonna weigh the truck and fuel here at the same place. Hopefully the weight will be good according to that other scale. It was showing that it was, but we always want to be 100% sure. So I'll take it to an official scale. this guy's gonna do. Because he's just moving his tandems. So. See if I can get behind this guy. Looks like he might be pulling out. Oh yeah. Okay. So the DEF is out, so we're still good with the DEF. It's the diesel, the one that's that we're short on. So we'll go ahead and fuel some diesel only. Then we'll take it from there. By the way, let me go and show you how much diesel I had. You could see right here, that's the mark. That's how much diesel I had left, and this is the DEF. We pretty much have a full tank, I guess, of the DEF, so we don't have to worry much about that. Because the DEF is out over here. It's out, so we're only going to be able to put diesel, so that's fine. We'll go ahead and do our thing, and then we'll take it from there. Alrighty. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and turn around to get back on the scale, because I had to. I didn't have to. It was all right there and all that, but I didn't want to, because the drives were like 33,500, and then with a little bit of fuel that I put in all that, I still didn't want the drives to be too bumpy, too heavy, and therefore they were going to be too bumpy and all that. So I decided, and then the trailers were at 31,200. So I decided to move the tandems a few like 4 holes and all that, to make sure that to at least try to put 1,000 pounds more on the trailer, and kind of take close to 1,000 pounds from the drives and move them back. So that's pretty much what I did. Let's see how it came out. Oh. I was gonna get a coffee from that truck stop, and then I have water and I have coffee, sugar, and everything in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just make my own coffee right now. Yeah, rather than paying like $2.35 for a coffee, might as well just make myself a coffee here in the truck. I have the microwave, I have the water, the coffee, the sugar. I did run out of creamers, but that's fine. That's fine. We're here at the West Memphis yard. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I did get paid for the breakdown, I guess. I'm showing here that they did pay me for that, okay, which is not as good as driving and all that, getting good miles and all that, but at least if you're broken down and you're at the shop, whether in Joplin or anywhere else, that you get paid for that breakdown time, so which is, it's okay, I guess. So we're good with that, I guess. Okay, so we're not going to be able to move until tomorrow, close to, because the appointment is let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, we have a window. Okay, all right, we have a window at midnight on the 27th, as soon as the 27th starts, and all the way up to a minute before the date ends on the 27th. So yeah, we can pretty much deliver on Saturday. That is not tomorrow, but on Saturday, because tomorrow's Friday. So yeah, we have till midnight Saturday, all the way up to 11:59 or 23:59 Saturday before the day ends, going into Sunday. So yeah, Saturday we pretty much have a window at whatever time we want to deliver. Okay, all right. I'm not gonna wake up at midnight, that's for sure. So I'll go ahead and wake up like at 7 in the morning, 7 a.m. and then start making my way up there, and then deliver the load and be ready for the next one. 27 Saturday, yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's perfect. So we'll go ahead and do that. So I'll probably see you guys, if not tomorrow, probably Saturday, when I start getting ready to start heading up there to the customer, depending, and see what this guy's want to do with a load as well. We'll go ahead and see. I'm gonna go ahead and do some laundry as well. Go wash some of the clothes that I have, and take a shower, cut my hair, shave. I do need a shave. Alrighty, we spent time here in West Memphis. I waited a few hours after my 10-hour break, I guess, because I didn't want to be there too early, because the next load that I'm picking up picks up at 1700, so I don't want to start my clock early. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's noon right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my pre-trip and then start making my way up to the customer. It's only like about an hour and a half, more or less, to the customer, and then from there we'll go ahead and deadhead like about 50 miles to pick up our next load that is going to Dallas. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll take it from there. Alrighty, we're coming up to the customer here. We're gonna make a left here on this second entrance. There we go, truck entrance. It's supposed to be a drop, so it shouldn't take too long to do whatever we need to do and all that. To just swap trail. Hopefully they have an empty. That's another thing. They should, but it's been a few times, I guess, that I've picked up at a Walmart that we have that we can drop, and then they don't have any empty trailers. So we'll see. So usually over the road drivers always keep to the right when we're coming up into either Target, Walmart, Sam's, all these other customers that we deliver to, and we have to wait until we get to the stop sign to check in with them, obviously. Alrighty, now we're heading up here to the guard shack. We're gonna go ahead and check out. I did the swap already, obviously. I dropped the loaded trailer and I grabbed the empty one. Did the post trip on it and everything's good. Now we're heading up to the other place to pick up the load going to Dallas or Texas. And I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here.